When it comes to visually appealing Linux distributions, Elementary OS stands out as a top contender. Designed with a strong emphasis on aesthetics and user experience, Elementary OS offers a polished and cohesive interface that appeals to both newcomers and seasoned Linux users. Design philosophy and user interface. Inspired by the clean and intuitive design of macOS, Elementary OS features the Pantheon desktop environment, which is both elegant and functional. The interface is characterized by a minimalist dock at the bottom of the screen, a top panel displaying system indicators, and a simple, organized application menu. This layout provides a clutter-free experience, allowing users to focus on their tasks without unnecessary distractions. Pre-installed applications. To maintain a consistent and seamless user experience, Elementary OS comes with a suite of custom-built applications that adhere to its design guidelines. These include Epiphany web browser, a lightweight and straightforward browser designed for speed and simplicity. Mail, an email client that offers a clean and organized interface for managing multiple accounts. Music, a music player that allows users to easily organize and enjoy their audio collections. Photos, an application for viewing and organizing images with basic editing capabilities. Code, a simple yet powerful text editor tailored for coding, supporting various programming languages. Each of these applications is designed to integrate seamlessly with the overall system aesthetics, ensuring a unified look and feel across the platform. Customization and user control. While Elementary OS emphasizes a consistent user experience, it also offers customization options to cater to individual preferences. Users can adjust system settings, change themes, and install additional applications from the App Center, which hosts a curated selection of software that aligns with the system's design philosophy. Performance and system requirements. Elementary OS is optimized to run efficiently on a wide range of hardware configurations. Its performance is smooth and responsive, even on older machines, making it accessible to users with varying system specifications. The developers have focused on creating an operating system that is not only beautiful, but also lightweight and efficient. Community and support. The Elementary OS community is active and welcoming, providing support through forums, documentation, and community-driven initiatives. Users can find assistance, share experiences, and contribute to the project's ongoing development. The emphasis on open-source principles ensures that the system remains transparent and user-focused. Conclusion. In summary, Elementary OS offers a visually stunning and user-friendly Linux distribution that prioritizes design consistency and simplicity. Its cohesive interface, coupled with a suite of tailored applications, provides a seamless computing experience that appeals to users seeking both form and function in their operating system.